Welcome home to this enchanting 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath cabin located at the top of Bryan Head. So from living room to the staircases up and down, master bedroom, your entryway, and into the kitchen. The kitchen also has plenty of cabinet space, so you never have to worry about storage. And if that's not enough, you can also use the pantry that has plenty of shelving space. Off the dining table, you also have a great little nook where you could read books, enjoy your quiet time. On the main level, you also have the master bedroom with access onto the grand deck and the amazing views to the north. And then your master bathroom with double sinks, granite countertops, and a walk-in shower. The walk-in shower has a regular shower head, but also one of the raindrop ones. Located off the master bedroom and bath, and just off the kitchen and great room, you also have a half bath available for any guests. From the living room, you can now head upstairs to the 2 guest bedrooms and adjoining baths. As you get to the top of the stairs, you have a large area of a loft that is currently set as an office space. And the 2 bedrooms and baths are set on opposite sides of the loft. There's plenty of sleeping in each of these bedrooms with multiple beds. Then each side has their own private bathroom with combination tub showers. And an enclosed commode, so multiple people can be using the bathroom at the same time. On the other side of the loft, you can access the 2nd guest bedroom. Again, with multiple beds. That can sleep 9 people. And then this one also has its own separate bathroom. The sink, combination tub shower. From the loft, you can look down and see the great room and the entire panel of windows that give you that amazing view. Back on the main level, now we'll head downstairs. It'll take you to the game room and one more additional bedroom, plus access to the garage. Coming into the walkout basement, you have another wood-burning fireplace. Then in front of all the windows, you have a ping pong table currently that is included. Access outside directly once the snow melts. The stairs that'll take you back upstairs. And then the family room where you can gather to watch TV and enjoy each other's company. From the family room, off to our left, we have a storage closet for any extra clothing that you don't need. Currently is housing some ski gear. And then we go into guest bedroom 3. It has its own sliding door outside. And again, plenty of sleeping space and beds. The downstairs guest bedroom also has its own separate bathroom, with another combination bath shower setup. Lastly, we head out onto this fabulous deck that wraps around most of the house, so you can enjoy entertaining. Morning break, enjoying the views. We're setting up a barbecue area up here. So everybody can enjoy themselves. And you have your own private view of Bryan Head Peak off the deck.